Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're like me, someone who loves building, refining, and getting every detail just right in the workshop, you know that a solid router table can be a total game changer. It's not just about convenience, it's about control, safety, and repeatability when you're working through precise joinery or cleaning up edges. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the POWERTEC Benchtop Router Table, a budget-friendly option priced at $218 that's been turning heads for promising big features without the big price tag. You'll often have to compromise at this price point, maybe missing out on durability, adjustability, or included accessories, but this model claims to deliver more than expected. I've put it through its paces over several weeks, testing its strengths, tolerances, and where it might fall short under real-world use. So, let's take an honest look at whether this router table is the smart upgrade your shop's been waiting for, or if it's one of those tools that looks great on paper but stumbles in practice. When it comes to setting up a solid, reliable router table for your workshop, the POWERTEC Benchtop Router Table immediately stands out for its thoughtful design and feature set. With a 24-inch by 16-inch laminated MDF tabletop, this unit strikes a balance between compactness and usability, ideal for smaller workshops or even garage-based DIYers who need to maximize space without sacrificing performance. The aluminum insert plate is a nice touch, offering durability and smooth router integration, while the 2.5-inch dust port makes cleanup far more manageable than many comparable models. Between the included featherboard, fence stop, and full accessory package, this setup delivers everything you'd expect for precise, repeatable routing. Right out of the gate, it looks the part of a serious tool, clean, professional, and ready to go to work. I've been using this router table on a semi-regular basis over the past few weeks, mostly for edge profiling, small joinery tasks, and flush trim routing, and overall, I found it to be a capable and consistent partner. The adjustable fence system is well designed in concept, allowing you to set precise distances from the bit with relative ease. When it's locked down properly, it stays put, which is half the battle in router work. I've appreciated the ability to make quick changes between cuts, especially when doing multiple passes. And at $218, it's hard to ignore the value you're getting, especially when you consider how much a name brand standalone fence system can cost on its own. For someone who doesn't need industrial-grade rigidity, but still wants accuracy and repeatability, this table checks a lot of boxes. That said, it's not all smooth running. One of the more frustrating aspects I've encountered, and honestly one that's potentially dangerous, is the design of the fence clamping knobs. They're these long, tubular plastic handles that you're supposed to tighten by hand, but they offer almost no leverage. It's like trying to twist a straw. Your hands just slip, and you're left guessing whether the fence is truly locked down. I learned the hard way on a dado cut when the fence shifted slightly mid-cut. Luckily, I caught it before any real damage, but it could have ruined a much more involved project. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a real functional flaw, especially for someone doing precise joinery. Upgrading to aftermarket knobs, like the ones from Rockler, might be a necessary investment if you plan on doing serious work. Another area where the build quality shows some inconsistency is in the fence's internal components. There are two plywood inserts within the fence that house the adjustment bolts, and on my unit, the mounting holes weren't perfectly aligned. One bolt tightened down fine, but the others felt loose or over-torqued, which left me worried about the whole assembly warping over time. It's one of those things you don't notice until you're in the middle of setup and suddenly feel that subtle wobble. For a product that promises precision, these small inconsistencies can be frustrating. I've had to manually shim one side and be extra careful when tightening to prevent any bending. It's not a deal breaker, but it does add an extra layer of caution to every adjustment. On a more positive note, the table's portability and adaptability are strong selling points. I Appreciate that it comes with a metal stand. It feels significantly more stable than flimsy foldable alternatives I've used in the past. And despite my concerns about the leg screws being a bit on the small side, after a few weeks of use, everything remains solid. I also know a few woodworkers who aren't using the full table. They pulled out just the router plate and fence system to integrate into a custom cabinet, and they've had great success. That kind of flexibility really adds to the value. Whether you're building a permanent setup or need something mobile, this table gives you options. The laminated top holds up well against moisture and minor spills, and the insert plate has stayed snug with no rattling. Dust collection is another practical win. The 2.5-inch port connects easily to most shop vacs or dust extractors, and I've noticed a significant reduction in airborne debris compared to freehand routing. It's not 100% sealed, there's still a bit of leakage around the insert plate, but it's miles ahead of nothing. I do think there's room for improvement here. Adding gaskets or a secondary seal would make it even better. But again, at this price point, I can't expect perfection. I may eventually build a secondary shroud to boost efficiency, but for now, it does a solid job keeping my workspace cleaner and safer. Overall, I'd say the POWERTEC Benchtop Router Table is a strong contender in its class, not perfect, but definitely promising. It offers excellent value, thoughtful features, and a sturdy enough build for most hobbyists, and even some light professional use. Where it stumbles, it's mostly in the details. The clamping mechanism needs serious refinement, and there are some quality control hiccups in the fence assembly. But none of these issues make it unusable. With a few minor upgrades and a careful touch during setup, this table can deliver consistent, accurate results. If you're on a budget but don't want to sacrifice too much performance, it's absolutely worth considering. Just go in with your eyes open and maybe keep a set of better knobs on standby. If you're ready to elevate your woodworking game with better precision and smarter setups, don't let a shaky fence hold you back. Start building smarter today. Like this review if it helped you, and hit subscribe for more no-nonsense tool breakdowns that cut straight to the point, because every craftsman deserves a workshop that works as hard as they do.